Should I build, buy, or rent software? I heard a lot about these AI wrapper companies, and I don't know, should I be signing up for these third-party tools or should I be building my own stuff? Really great question. I hear a lot of right now. In the past, it was very expensive to build and change and prototype things, and now you can like spin them up super easy. And so you're seeing companies that are blasting out these AI wrapper companies where all of the heavy lifting is happening from the language model, the intelligence that you're tapping into with like Gemini or ChatGPT. And it's just like a really basic front end. So we see a lot of companies will come back to us and say, hey, should I license this tool or just build it? Or even quite often they're just like, should I license this tool? When we look at it, I'm like, we could recreate that using make.com or N8N and a really basic vibe coded, like an AI agent could recreate that software in a couple hours on the weekend. So the cases of build versus buy are changing dramatically as we've seen the cost of software development drop roughly 10x in the last 18 months and expected to drop another 10x in the next 12 months. So that, I believe the future for all small businesses, most will be to own your own code, to build the expertise within your organization, to build that code yourself and to own it and control it, control your data, control your software. Because you can save a lot of money on licensing fees when you start to build and own your own code. And I think the process of going down and learning how to build and own your own code is a part of that transition of becoming a normal company or an AI first organization, or everyone has to become more of a technology player in this new world. So I think it's a great learning exercise for your organization to take some of these smaller projects on and test out if you have the culture and the resources to start owning some of your own code. But there's no easy answer to this question, but just know that the rules of the game have changed. The cost of owning your own code has already dropped by a factor of 10x and will continue to drop. So it's no longer about the code being the value. I think it's about the learning, the flexibility, the adaptability of the organization, the proprietary data and IP that you have within is the value. So I think in the future, we're not going to be dependent on other companies for code. We're going to be working with AI software development agents and owning most of our code. Some of it will even be disposable. It's getting that cheap.